Hi friends, I just wanted to go through the process of showing you how to extract that survey and send it to me. So you'll actually go to your full grade center and you'll find the survey. So mine is right here. You'll right click and you'll view download results. So once you go here, I just leave it on the default settings and I click the results. I'm going to open it. And then I just push yes, and then I'll go over and I will try to save it. And if you could save it as your last name and the section file, that would be great. And then when you save it, the little system is kind of getting in the way. But when you save it, you will save as, you will find a spot, and so it has this weird thing. So you'll save it as, I like to save it as Excel 97 2003, and you can save it and then you can send it in that format. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much.